Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a kitchen essential that can make meal prep a breeze. We discovered the OXO Steel Y Peeler and have included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. The OXO Steel Y Peeler is designed to take the hassle out of peeling fruits and vegetables. If you've ever struggled with a dull peeler that seems to fight against you, then this tool is a game changer. The Y-shaped design is not only stylish but also offers incredibly efficient performance, making it a must-have for your kitchen arsenal. One of the standout features of this peeler is its Japanese stainless steel blade. This high-quality blade glides effortlessly through firm produce, whether you're peeling carrots, potatoes, or even apples. Thanks to its sharpness and durability, you'll find that it cuts through the skin with minimal effort, reducing prep time significantly. Another notable aspect of the OXO Steel Y Peeler is its sleek, contoured handle. Designed with comfort in mind, the handle provides a secure grip, allowing for ultimate control while you peel. This is particularly beneficial for those longer peeling sessions or if you're working with larger quantities of produce. You won't have to worry about hand fatigue, as the ergonomic design fits comfortably in your palm. But what sets this peeler apart from others on the market is its unique blade that swivels slightly. This feature allows for better maneuverability, making it easier to peel around curves and contours of various fruits and vegetables. Whether you're tackling a lumpy potato or a delicate tomato, the OXO Steel Y Peeler adapts to the shape of the produce, ensuring you get the best results without wasting too much of the flesh underneath. And for those who enjoy cooking with potatoes, you'll appreciate the built-in potato eye remover. This clever addition allows you to easily scoop out blemishes in just one motion. No more fiddling with a knife or trying to dig out those little eyes, it's all taken care of in one swift scoop. So, who is the OXO Steel Y Peeler suitable for? Whether you're a seasoned chef or just someone who enjoys cooking at home, this peeler is perfect for anyone looking to simplify their food prep process. If you frequently cook with fresh produce or make dishes that require peeling, like mashed potatoes, vegetable soups, or fruit salads, this tool will become your best friend in the kitchen. Practical use cases for the OXO Steel Y Peeler are endless. Imagine prepping for a family dinner or holiday feast. With this peeler, you can efficiently peel potatoes for mashed potatoes or carrots for a fresh salad. It's also great for peeling apples for pies or making homemade applesauce. If you're a health enthusiast who enjoys meal prepping, this peeler can help you quickly prepare your fruits and veggies for the week ahead. In conclusion, the OXO Steel Y Peeler combines functionality with comfort and style. Its sharp stainless steel blade, ergonomic handle, and innovative design make it an excellent addition to any kitchen. If you're tired of struggling with subpar peelers, this product might just be what you need to elevate your cooking experience. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.